Put down your spoon. Did you get it in there? That wasn't the best pickup I've ever seen. You're too interested in playing with your spoons. You just want to play with your spoons? You like the spoons? Do you want any more food? Ba 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 ba. Ma 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 ma. Fa 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 fa. Da 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 da. Sa sa sa. What's so funny? Everything? Here, you eat this one. It was already in your mouth. Oops. Are you all done eating? Yum. I heard you say yum. Did you know you said yum? There you go. I wanted to show people how good you are at picking these up, but your hands are full of spoons. Your hands are all full of spoons. How are you supposed to pick up your Cheerios when your hands are full of spoons? I don't know either. I don't know either. What's so funny? Can you say ba ba ba? Fa fa fa. Everything's so funny. Careful. You want any more avocado? Avocado, or this thing is supposedly meat. Your first meat, yellow goop. No, that's not meat. It's yellow goop. But the jar says it's meat. The jar says it's chicken. I don't think that's true. You seem to like it though. Your yellow goop. Do you want some more yellow goop? Here, give me the spoon. Let go. My spoon. My spoon. Let me have the spoon. No? How about this spoon? Can I have this spoon? Thank you. Here's some yellow goop. Here's some yellow goop. Oh, don't poke yourself in the eye, kiddo. I think we're done eating. I think that means you're done eating. Say bye. Bye-bye. You're funny.